Wow! Yay! Let me give you an update. We got about 5% brakes left in the van here. We got the strap and emergency brake system. You think we're gonna miss Minimoto Nation on Tomahawk? You thought wrong. We're gonna be there. We're gonna be square. Rev it up one more time for me. He's a wild hog, man.
I get 250 by the copper board, okay. All my niggas with me, you can't catch me riding solo. Where you get it at? I bought it out the corner store. How much? $3 is what came to my soul. I'm going loco, but I'm loco. I'm loco, but I'm loco.
Well, I mean, might be a quick vlog, guys. Only on the road an hour. Everything's fine. Everything's fine. Everything's good. Good. Everything's good. Great. Great, grand, wonderful. So, you see a fucking red Chevy Express on the side of whatever highway you're driving by and it happens to be me, just pick me up. Give me a fucking ride. I might fuck around and get a pizza delivered, but who fucking knows? But, service engine soon. Don't know I'm in a service because I'm driving. Can't really do two things at once, but okay, buddy. See you there. Look at these damn bugs on the window. God damn. What are you looking at, dude? Dude. What in the flip-flap fucking motherfucking patty wax going on? Damn. Got this fucking trailer full of pigs over here. Little bastard's about to get slaughtered. But I really don't know what the fuck's going on, dude. Been sitting here for like 35 minutes. Burning fuel. No way, dude. I've already been sitting here for like 35, 40 minutes. And you got these pigs in this trailer squealing at me. Things like a goddamn meteorite. Haley's Comet. Look at it. This is the last dude. Came down here, his brakes didn't work. He blew a trail right through the fucking trees. No way. I guess white people working with black people again.
You can't do that. Go on my seat, man. This man was filming me loading tunes. What the heck? Oh my god. Oh, smash laptop.
We're just looking at all of Aaron's porn.
I think I have a. Come on, dude.
Look at these guys. Can't agree on anything. Ooh, probably a pizza place?
Sam's.
Who the fuck's Sam?
Sam's Club? No,
Sam?
Sam's is like a fucking pizza joint.
Oh, right across the street?
This dude just out here checking oil, but the bike's not level. The bike's not level. Oh shit, Harley Hank's out in the streets. I think we should put the bike up.
I'm about to make all of
Ridiculous. Document that. I've done most of the work so far, but Dave's now taking over. What we got for a motor setup, Dave?
69mm intake.
You know.
That's about it. Sponsored by Bud Heavy. It's a big bore for the stock limited class. So
You're not cheating, you're not trying. Right, dog?
good to go. Dude.
Got a couple more things for Dave to put on to finish his bike up. Somebody's waiting. Oh, shoot. You know it's gonna be a weekend when you already smoking cigs. We'll get this thing dialed in now. Fucking break this chain up here, but I ain't got anything to break it. I got a damn thing to break this thing. Oh shit, look at that. Out of nowhere, dude. I'm gonna break the chain.